Kani kadai ka Patisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi, belawan rasyapi da ka rupa, bapentingin bat penbha.
Kani kadai ka kanhon jong ka Shillong Endurance Motorsports Club, ringkat ke jing trelang, bat ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, ka ba menta usnam arja katpra, ka jing pelong ya ka jing kop nyak kali, ka balatip kum ka Shillong Endurance Motorsport Challenge 2018, kan long ru kum sibenta na ka jing alam, ban om lek kiar ne pet silang khman, iki brio kibalangat hau jingpang nyang kulia ne HIV AIDS. Ya kani lai tu da kinoi lam jong kini ki kenhon ha ka jing kendo bat kinong pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club ha ka arpotrek mentau nai weng arjakat pra. Ya kani ka jing kop nya kali an pelong na du ka arpuar ha du ka arpsau trek mentau nai weng arjakat pra ha po yau Shillong tengar bat ha kini kilai sngi an pelong ye ki jing kop nya ye ki jat kali ba per kentop ye ki sau saka bat ki arsaka. Nalor ka jing ye kop nya kali sau bat arsaka ha kini kilai sngi on kampala jimon banyala pat baru halor kumno banyele persa ye ke jingpang HIV AIDS hendrai om banyele persa bat kibreu kibalayo ye kini ke jingpang bat ban pet event ye kum kini kibreu.
I would like to announce our event. It's called the Shillong Endurance Motorsports Challenge 2018, and this is an we have 4x4, we have motocross, we have cycles, and we also have non-gear scooters. The reason why we are associating with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society is because we think that motorsports has got a large following of the youth, and by associating with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, there are some common misbeliefs that we really want to make sure that everyone is aware of. So this is more like an awareness camp, awareness program, and at the same time we want to focus on motorsports as well.
Awareness aspects, and also like taking care of the HIV, and also spreading the message on prevention and also on the modes of transmission of HIV in the state of Meghalaya. Like almost every year we have different events. This is also one of the part of the events that we have undertook this year, and we call it the multimedia campaign in motorsports events. And this year we have associated with the Shillong Endurance Motorsport Club Shillong, in which we try to look at the as Vicky has always said, motorsport event is one part of the platform where there's a lot of crowd gathering is there, and as we can also from the past previous years, we have also seen that there are a lot of youths actually involved in this particular sport, and by piggybacking in this particular event, we are looking for like kind of a partnership, also at the same time to create awareness on HIV and AIDS. At the same time, to actually indulge in healthy behaviors among the youths by entering to sports activities as well. So yes, this is one of the aspects that we from AIDS Control Society is trying to look into the awareness aspects by actually organizing this particular event in motorsports.